Dear children, let's start solving subtraction sums. In the last class, we have learned subtraction by borrowing and we have solved 8 sums in the last class. So, let's solve the next sums. Here we have today 12 sums. Let's solve them one by one. Subtraction by borrowing. The first one, 934 minus 25. We should take out 25 from the number 934. As you see, in the ones place, there is a number 4 and below they have given number 5. So when you compare these both numbers, is 4 greater than 5? No, 4 is lesser than 5. So is it possible for us to subtract 5 from 4? No, it is not possible. So when it is not possible, what do? We borrow from the next place. So what is the place here? Next to ones, it is tens. So let's borrow. We need to strike 3 and write here before number of 3, that is 2. And in ones place write 1. Then you need to strike 4 and write in the circle. The number is 14 now. Now it's possible to take out 5 lines from 14? Yes, it's possible. So let's subtract 14 minus 5. So 5 afterwards say, 5 afterwards 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So count how many lines did you draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines. So the answer in the ones place is 9. Let's move to the tens place. Here it is 2. Take out 2. What is 2 minus 2? 0. And bring down 9. Strike this circle. So the answer you get is 909. Let's move for the next one. Here in the ones place there is 5 and below there is 8. Is it possible to take out 8 from 5? No, it's not possible. So what is the step? Strike 9 and write here 8. That is the before number of 9. Then carry 1 to the borrow. So 1 is borrowing. So you need to write 1 in the ones place. Then strike this number 5 and write here the number is 15 now. So as you borrow 1 tens, so 10 plus 5 becomes 15. Now subtract 15 minus 8. 8 afterwards say children 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Count the number of lines 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's move for the next one. 8 minus 6. Take your 8 fingers and cut 6 fingers. How many remain? Yes, 2 fingers remain. So let's count 6 afterwards, 7 and 8. That is 2. Nothing here. So write 1 below. So the answer is 127. Let's move for the next one. 3 and 7. So 3, can you take out 7 lines? No, it's not possible, no children. So strike out and write here 8. That is the before number. Then what you need to do? You should carry 1. Borrow 1, yeah. Borrow and cut and write here. The number is 13 now. The 7 afterwards count children. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many lines? 6. Coming to the tens place. 8 minus 8. 0. Then there is no carry in the circle. So let us strike the circle off. So 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? Take your 5 fingers. Cut 2 fingers. How many remain? 3. Answer is 306. Moving to the next one. What you can observe in the ones place? 3 and 5. So it's not possible here. So children, strike 8, write 7, the before number, and write 1. Then strike 3, write here. 13 it is. So can you count? What is 13 minus 5? Can you subtract? Yes? Try to subtract 13 minus 5. Yes? Did you get 8? Yes. Then let's move to the tens place. Subtract 7 minus 6. Yes, it is 1. Nothing here. 2 minus 1 is 1. Answer is 118. Moving to the next one. 342 minus 126. It's not possible. So strike out 4. Write 3. 1 goes to 10. 1 tens goes to 1's place. Strike out to right here. That is 12 now. So 6 afterwards is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 minus 3 is what? 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Answer is 216. Moving to the next one. 7 minus 8 is not possible. Strike out. And write here the before number, that is 5. Then carry 1. Okay, borrow 1 to the, 7 will borrow. Then 1 goes to the 1's place. Strike out and write here. The number has become now 17. So 8 afterwards count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Count the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9. 17 minus 8 gives you 9. 5 minus 3. 5 fingers. Take out 3 fingers. 2 remains. And coming to the hundreds place, 9 minus 1 is what? It is 8. Answer you get is 829. Followed? Yeah. Let's move to the next one. 480 minus 365. So, it's not possible to take our 5 lines, yes or no, from 0. Let's do our borrowing method. That is, strike out, write here, before number and borrow 1. Strike out 0 and write here. The number has changed to 10. Then 5 after it says 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 5 lines. Coming to the tens place, 7 minus 6, 1. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So, you get 115. Moving to the next one. 495 minus 376. For 1's place you see, there is 5 and 6. It's not possible to take out 6 lines from 5 lines. Strike out 9, write here 8. Okay, 1, borrow. So, strike out 5 right here. So, the number is 15. So, 15 minus 6. What is 15 minus 6? It is, count, 6 afterwards say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 9. 8 minus 7, 1. And 4 minus 3 is 1. 119. Did you follow, children? Moving to the next one. Here we have 574 minus 137. 4 is small and 7 is greater number. So it's not possible to subtract. So go to the tens place, strike out 7, write the before number 6, borrow 1. Strike out 4. So it is 14 now. So 7 afterwards say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Count the lines. It is 7. Moving to the tens place. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer you get is 437. Next one. 1 minus 6 is not possible. Strike out 4 right here. Before number 3. Borrow 1. Now what is the number is? The number is 11. Now 6 afterwards say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5. No? Yeah. 3 minus 2, 1. And here 4. That is 450. Moving to the next one. 4 minus 5. No, not possible. So strike out 8. What you should write here? 7. And borrow 1. Fine. Strike out this 4 right here. The number is what now? It's 14. 5 to 14 count children. 5 afterward. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Count the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 7 minus 4. 3. 7 minus 1. 8. 839. So next one, 8 minus 6. So 708 minus 516. Watch the sum carefully. Sorry, 702. Minus 516. So let's solve. 2 minus 6 is not possible. You should take from 0. That is from the tens place. But my question is to you. Whether 0, the number which doesn't have any value, can 0 give 1/10 to 2? 0 number doesn't have any number with it. Is it possible to borrow 1/10 from one's place? Can you answer? No, it's not possible. So remember, when you cannot borrow from here, so where you should go? You should go to the hundreds place. Fine. Now, hundreds place there is a number 7. So remember, strike out. Right here. Okay. Strike out this first. Here there is no number, strike out. Then go to hundreds place, strike out. Write the before number, that is 6. After writing here 6 in hundreds place, here it is 9. Okay. So you should write here 9. And you should borrow 1 to the ones place. So, as there is no number with 0, you should borrow from hundreds place. And the hundreds place, when it goes, it gives 1/10. So, when it comes back, here the number, here actually it is 10 children. As it is giving 1/10 to the ones place, the number changes to 9. So now strike this number and write it. It is 12. So try to subtract 6 minus 12 minus 6. 6. 9 minus 1. 8. 6 minus 5. 1. 186 is the answer. Okay, I hope so you followed this 12 subtraction sums by borrowing. So next there are 5 sums to solve. So that is your homework. Homework for today is solve all sums. All sums means there are 5 more sums to solve. So that you need to solve as your homework from page number 46. So these are the sums from page 46. Remaining 5 are there to solve. So solve as homework. And copy this neatly in your notebook and write in your textbook also.